Welcome to my channel. Today let's draw, what's his name? Gengar from Pokemon. Start with the circle in the center of the page, like this. And some spiky things on the top of the circle like that. And some more spiky things coming off the other side of the top of the circle, like this. You make one arm, some squiggly fingers like that. Draw his leg and his foot, little squiggly toes like this. Body comes up here. His tail and his other leg, his other toes. Work on his other arm. This. His hand. Fingers. He's just kind of jumping out at you. Work on his eyes like this. A slanted line with a half circle underneath it. And you do it again on the other side. Starting to look like Gengar. I think that's how you say his name. Got this big smile. Sort of sinister looking face. Teeth. And his pupils. It's time for the inking process. And grab yourself a Sharpie, nice sharp, good Sharpie, and start this process. Got this round body, this spiky hair, whatever they are, some sort of spikes, stego spikes, horns, I don't know. Please leave in the comments if you do know. Probably just hair, kind of fur. We're just outlining the line that we like. His body coming down here to his arm and his fingers. Make it nice and clean. Don't push too hard, don't push too light. Well, you can change your pressure, angles, and speeds as necessary, but you can also kind of just stay at a nice, steady, easy pace. One setting. Doing these fingers. And his right leg kind of running out at you, so it's bent behind him. You see his foot hanging down, his toes hanging down. Obviously leaving some gaps in his body outline where the limbs connect. Give it some depth. Do his tail. See his tail hanging down here. The tip of his tail. And then his left leg is protruding forward at you. So it's a little bigger, a little closer. And his foot's aimed upwards. Like this. Gonna do some of the details of his face. His eyebrow. With a straight line, slanted line with a upside down C. Same thing on the other side. A little bit smaller. That eye's a little more squinted. 2 little dots for his pupils. It looks nice and angry. The top of his mouth. Just a gentle curved line down to his bigger curved bottom part of the mouth. When I erase some of these pencil marks, it'll look cleaner, better, make more sense. Do his teeth like that. Erase it and color it. Please subscribe. Really appreciate you.